Damn, look at that car. Shit, I can't get it. Can I get it? Get it? Aw. That's a cool car. Alright, I'm walking. This is the Burger King. Got a lot done in a week. The lane has been closed for like 4 days, but this is the first time I've talked about it. They're doing the resurfacing of the bridge, and so I may walk down there and get a picture of some of what's really going on. But I just want to show you that Burger King used all their plywood, got it looking good. It goes together really quick to black something in. Black it in means you've got all the walls, the roof, and then you start putting in glass and doors. But it slows way down when you try to actually put the equipment in and things like that. It slows down. Burger King. Well, I spotted more cylinders, and they got a date on them. It's August the 8th, 2025, and other ones are got different things wrote on them. But so we got a pile of cylinders right over there, and these in a nice tray. That's nice to see that. Well, hey everybody, today is August the 10th. The year is 2025, and it's a Sunday. And I'm at the top of the walkway where they're going to continue with the bridge. Don't know exactly how it's going to look, how much of a angle it's going to have as it crosses. Don't have that kind of information. I do know there's three plastic caissons on this side and 3 on that side. So that is to catch the bridge, one on the east side and one on the west side. That's the way to tell which one we're talking about. The one over on that far side is the west. All right. That's my update for today. I want you to look at that crack. It runs right through there, keeps going, crack, crack, and then picks back up here. See it? Now I just walked that whole thing. The sign is for when the end cap of that last section, like where they put the yellow strip, that's because the concrete was wet. But I walked all the way to the top, walked all the way down here. Not one piece of that concrete over there is cracked, but we've got cracks all up through here. You can't even count them, but they called themselves repairing them. But what has happened is, in this contract, they made sure that they used, well, they've been driving that concrete bucket on the pad, the sidewalks, with concrete in the bucket, and ain't had a problem because the concrete is high quality. They're making testing cylinders. So if the spec said 3,000, they got 3,000. That's pounds per square inch. So that's the way you do things.